On today's episode of Moto Cheese.
This is nuts.
Get out of the river, or are we gonna go straight?
Do the river if you want. Probably a better ride. I don't even know how much gas I got. Not much. I better put some gas. I still got to rejet this. Full joke. Oh, this thing is so quiet. Come on, she's cold-blooded. That's why I got a jetter. Half joke. No joke. Every bike is so different. Got a little treat for you guys today. Abandoned house. Stumbled across it a few videos back. Never went in it. That's what we're doing. And do a little abandoned places video. Blades on a TBR7. I'm on the Brozz 250. And the temperature is about 65 degrees. Got my Fonz leather jacket on. Like some of you guys comment. This basket's a little crooked. Start 'em young, raise 'em right. Although I cannot disclose the location. I'm sure some of you that are local may recognize it. I'm sure a lot of you probably don't, even if you are local, because it's pretty far off the main road. And there's not really even an easy way to get to it. The old spring, flowing good. This Brozz 250 actually has a better ride than the Hawk. I'll let you know when I hit some real big bumps. River level is pretty low. Wow, it's really low. It actually has a tack with the actual RPM numbers on it. I have not confirmed it yet, but I was told it already has a 17 tooth front sprocket, which would be good. So then the only thing that has to be done really is jetting. I also think I have a pretty neat modification for underneath the seat to be able to get to the bolts and not have to loosen up the whole tail light assembly. That's right. Oh, that's new. Okay, yeah, this definitely has softer suspension than a Hawk DLX. I think it's a combination of a different type of a rear shock spring. It is adjustable. And also, it uses like a memory foam seat, as I've mentioned. I was told by Peace Power Sports that the price that I listed on my original video is going up at the end of the year sometime, so if you want to get it for that price, you better hurry up, because it is going up. I don't know about you guys, but I love abandoned places. Few places I've been having my eye on, and this is one of them. I was on a trail ride one time, probably the beginning of the season maybe, or the end of last season. I think it probably was the beginning of this season. Way off the road, you can just see the roof of a house because it's so overgrown. I had someone tell me about an abandoned place that has actually an underground bowling alley still in it. Get a hold of me, I want to go. We'll do a video. The best places are the ones that have no posted signs, like the one we're going to. Oh, look at that thing. Hey, watch that burdocks. Hang on. You don't want this shit. I'll turn it around. Alright.
That's what spooky. Almost looks like face in that window over there.
I don't think anybody's been here in a while. Holy shit.
This cobweb's intact, so nobody's been through here in a while.
The floor's not too solid, huh? What do you say?
There's a basement.
Are we doing it?
I'm not worried about the stairs.
What's good you go first because you weigh less than me. You could sample it.
There's an oil tank. Come on.
Oh, that stairs. This one here on the inside is pretty weak.
This one here is pretty weak. I have to go to that far edge. Put on that far edge.
Oh, it's missing one too, huh? Oh shit. Woo! My fat ass could come down through. What the hell?
That's scary.
Oh, rape room.
A rape room back there. Look at them old fucking wall jars, man.
Yeah, and see, this had the electric where it used the insulators. You see that? And then they went to BX wiring. There is another way in here. Oh yeah, they are. That's an Atlas. This one's a ball.
This one is a no name. It's switch.
Here's bigger ones. Wow. Bigger ball ones too. Let's check out what's in this rape room. There's a lookout chair. The guys let the gimp loose. Bring out the gimp.
Yeah.
Remember that in Pulp Fiction? Oh, there's a bunch of jars in here. Got some green ones too. Oh, look at that. There's one right at the top on it. There's something in it. What the hell? There's something in that. Check it out.
That's food, dude.
Yeah.
That's like soup.
Oh yeah, definitely. Holy.
That's some old fucking soup.
Wonder if it's any good. Oh man, there's some more.
Some good soup. Oh.
What is that?
I was gonna.
It's another. Oh,
Pickle,
that's peppers and
pickle
stuff.
soup.
Yeah.
I was getting excited thinking it was a fruit
There's a
jar
little
for a
tiny
second.
jars too. Yeah, there's another basket. Hope this camera adjusts.
That thing is antique, man.
Oh, there's some more food right in there.
Yeah.
Some cast iron and copper plumbing. Man, yeah, these stairs. They're not in good shape. Neither are those. Oh, some old doors. How's the look up there?
Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah, that's not good. Oh yeah, well that's why the ceiling's gone. And this. Oh yeah, the attic. Oh yeah. Oh, here's an old shoe. What the hell is that? Backpack string? Sling or whatever? Well, there's a hole cut in the floor. Wow. They were doing some renovations here. Damn. What's this? Another floor up? Oh shit. Damn, this is 3 floors. Holy cow. Someone's flip-flop. Rubber boot. Wow, look at these old fuses. Someone wrapped tinfoil around them.
Old what?
Fuses. And an old switch. This was where the main came in, apparently. Yeah. See, it's got the old insulators, the glass insulators. Wow. That's crazy. Check it out up here. Wow. This is nuts. It didn't even look that. There's some more shoes. It didn't even look that big, did it? Of course, my video glasses died. Why? It hasn't. We haven't been in here 40 minutes. It's crazy. Where'd Blade go? Uh-oh. Blade? Where the hell did he go? Where'd you go, Blade?
Do you see me?
Thought you got abducted.
No.
This is a cool house at one time, huh? Remember how to get out of here? Oh, here's a toilet. Sitting on the toilet.
Now flush.
Oh. The hell is that contraption? Them two beautiful bikes, huh? See if I can get a picture. You didn't lose your keys, did you? Did the ghost take them?
No.
The ghost from the haunted house. Next time I go to an abandoned place, I should take my metal detector. I check myself for ticks. Yep. This is the best riding Chinese bike I've ever ridden yet. Might not be as fast as the DLX. Definitely has a better ride. I'm also getting another bike in to review. It's an Apollo, a new model. Worked out a little deal to get my hands on one. I should have that maybe within a week or two. Looks like a pretty cool bike. Old Nestle's power plant. That is no more. Maybe I can get into that. That's the power plant from Candlewood Lake. Hydro plant. Still operational. Witch's Circle. Might have to visit that for Halloween. Yeah, see, she's lean. She is too lean. Well, that was a fun ride. I love that stuff. That's right. Any guys local? Connecticut, New York? You got some good abandoned places to go check out? Send me a message. I'm definitely interested. Good job, green bastard.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on motocheese.com. Thanks for watching.